Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss how you can create a beautiful slider in your WordPress website. Here you can see this is my demo website. Let me log in. Simply you can add /wp-admin to log in into your WordPress website. After that, in the dashboard, now let me go in the plugin sections. Make sure that you have installed Elementor plugin. Here you can see I have installed, and after that let me show you I have installed Astra WordPress theme. So now we need to install a free plugin to add a slider. Simply click here, add new, and after that here we can search for a plugin, Prime Slider. Here you can see the plugin ratings. Now simply click on install button, and after that activate. Now let's go back to the pages. Now scroll down, and here you can see these are all the pages, and this is the front page. Now we can view this page on the front side, and after that click here edit with Elementor. Now here you can see Elementor page builder is loading, and it will take just few seconds. Alright, now here we can add a new section. Here you can see section settings, then plus, then again click here plus, and after that here you can see the structure for the row. Now simply I can select one column row, and after that here you can see dots. Click here, then scroll down, and here you will see extra elements that comes with a plugin. So these are, here you can see these are the elements that comes with Prime Slider plugin. So for example, I want to use a layout. Here you can see, simply I can drag here, and after that here you can see these are 3 slides. So these are numbers that show slides, and after that you can simply edit the content. For example, I want to edit the very first slide content. Click here, and here you can see the title. Let me add something, for example, enable website design. Then also we can add subtitle, then button text. Here you can see subtitle, then button text. You can add whatever you want, for example contact. Here you can add button link. For example, when someone click on the button, then he will be redirected to the particular page. Then scroll down, here you can add image. Simply you can upload an image from your laptop. Let me select so here I have some demo images. Now here you can see images added. In the same way you can edit the content for the other slides. And here you can see these are the optional. Just you can remove this text and add your own. And after that simply click here, and here you can see it is closed. Then click on additional settings. Here you can set minimum height for your slider. Then you can enable or disable title. Then you can also resize your title tag. For example, I want to change H2. Then scroll down. You can also enable or disable subtitle. Then here you can see these are various other options you can enable or disable. And after that you can select the image size, then social link. Here you can see these are the social links. Just you can click and add here your Facebook page link. Then same for the other social links. And then click here slide settings. Then you can disable autoplay if you don't want. And also you can disable loop. Then click on advanced animation. You can enable this in the premium variant. Now let's go to the style tab. And here you can see overlay option. You can add some overlay. For example, you can add a color. So now here you can see the image is darkened. Then scroll down and here you can change title color, subtitle color, then button settings. For example, if you want to change this icon color, yes, this one. Here you can see we have changed icon color to white. Then you can also resize title text in the typography options. Click here. Then here you can see you can adjust the size. Then also you can change font family. And also you can set the line height, so it will add some gap on the top and bottom. And also you can add letter spacing as well as word spacing. Then you can also change social link colors. Then for the navigation you can change the color and you can increase or decrease its size. So now we have added image for the one slide. You can add other images for the other slides. So in this way you can easily create a creative slider in your Elementor WordPress website. After that, final step is to click here update button.